Yes, I. Mm. You know, might see the smile, but you don't know. It's not even a good feelings. You know, when you think, say, right now, you're sitting prime minister has got potential for one of the biggest disgrace that like the island of Jamaica has ever seen. You understand what I mean? So one of the biggest investigation, one of the biggest corruption, one of the biggest, you get what I mean? I said that's the precedence that's um a black prime minister set amongst Jamaicans, a totally full black prime minister Jamaican. You know. But it's the thing, it's a stand it's like it's an ego thing, what a lot of Jamaicans don't realize, is that Andrew Holness is a egotistical guy, and that's the reason why Jamaica isn't further than where it is. You understand me? Because in order, his method, his attitude, he's got no dialogue and no diplomatic skills. You get what I'm saying? He must have bad up and force him way through. And I've got prime examples that I'm gonna discuss further on down the line. You understand me? You get me? Because, yeah, he's a servant of America. Not, alright, let's say, for want of a better word, then his partner is like of the same nature as American type government. You get what I'm saying? So you should have got a lot of leeway, a lot of access to resource, you know, see it, and development for Jamaica. You get what I say? Should have. It's his freaking right as a GLP, because GLP is capitalist, and American government right now at the moment is capitalist. Even when there's conservative government in there, it's capitalist still. They're more endorse the GLP politics than even PNP politics, because the PNP politics is more of a a socialism type of politics. So when I say socialism, I mean people to people, try to be a people access, people can access type of government. You get what I say? So that's the thing with PMP. That's the difference between PMP and GLP. GLP is political type of thing now. Is to capitalize for anything where them can see, as long as them can get it at a cheap price, and whoever want ball them no business, as long as them get it and make a money. Yeah, that's the GLP attitude towards government. You know, see. But the Prime Minister, when government, he hasn't got the gift of the gab, like the argument to put to the people, them, the relevant authority, the relevant powers, to give resource and access to Jamaica and its economy and its growth, further its growth, and the people. You get what I'm saying? Again, to satisfy his ego and thirst or hunger, he really doesn't need the international community, because none of them are patriots. And what I've got to observe that even if most of them are patriots or want to be patriots, they can't even really be. You get what I'm saying? They are under the direction of a higher force. But how black they are, doesn't matter. In a seed. So, I'm looking at it from a point of view and say, even if he don't get any assistance from the higher force or the power that be, he can still be or grow the man into the man that he wants to be, or grow into the force that's recognized, or that's the necessary force as it takes to be a member of the club, just by half the resource off the people's back, same way. He know he can do that. He can get enough millions of Jamaica's little economy to grow amongst them and the millionaire clubs and things like that, and become such a member, whatever, really. You know what I mean? You get me? Yeah, you can. So you don't need, we are the ones, the common people of Jamaica are the ones who need access to certain resource. We need access to certain funding, access to certain training, access to certain, capitals. See, not the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister, alright, from where you might get from tourism, where you might get from backside, where you might get from IMF, where you can skim off of this and skim off of that. Improper alright with that. You get what I say? Him not care about us. He really business about we, because them man, they are selfish. Sure, yeah, this is where we come back to the argument when I try to say, oh, I know it's an egoism type of government a go on. See it? An individualist type of thing. Jamaica Prime Minister is one of the pettiest Prime Ministers of the world. I tell you, Andrew Holness. Andrew Wallace is just a little ghetto boy sit down on a corner. To me, you see, that's the fortitude where I get from him. Based on my experience, my observation. The little ghetto boy, corner boy sit down on a corner, just hang out, stretch out him foot them in him clocks. You see, he's gonna brush it off with him brush, him toothbrush a morning time. You see? And the reason why I come up with that is because I notice say all of the man them have substance, ghetto substance, basically of his age group and type of thing like that of certain caliber, who is not really affiliated to his type of egotistic dominance. I've noticed all of them have died mysteriously. You see it? And we're not idiot, we're not stupid. You see it? I don't know, you know. We're not coward neither. We don't understand how, just like Claude Massop. Just like Claude Massop dead. We don't understand how Father Foul dead. We don't understand. We don't have an explanation for how Wildy dead. We don't have no explanation and nobody not look into them loved one. We don't have no explanation for how a man like Wani British dead. You know see it? We don't have no information to a man like Roy Cole dead. You know see it? We don't know what go on. It no grassroots, get a thing no grow, so get a people always know what go on. We don't know what go on. Anytime we don't know what go on, our own don't know what go on, you know. Oh, clown, think I hear that? You see it? Our friend them there, you know. Instead of more silent to stay about them incident there. And the more threat our life is as well. You know, see it? I'm not afraid of no boy, you know. Because some boy, you're a coward, you know. That's why I move like that. You know, we just see it by you, know, be a bully used to get a bully. Be a bully used to get. That's why you say you're going to be a politician and the people are going to assassinate you. Never in a Jamaica history ever see anybody with hope and wish and know so them all die by the people or kill them. How? We always know so we are doing enough for people that love we and appreciate we. A rape and pedophile thing them way there. You know what I say? And that's written document. You say that going to happen to you. No along with that thing you too much still, but I just like me and say. You know see it? We want to know how all of them man they just dead off like that and nobody, no investigation, no follow up, no nothing. You think we are idiot? We know what's going on, we know why Wildy reach on a Mountain View when them dead too, you know. Think we are idiot? You're one of the most corrupt politicians. The only way you can get back in a power, only way you can get back in a power unless you free Vybz Kartel. Only blood clot way you can get back in a power unless you free Vybz Kartel. I'm not telling a lie. You have too much corruption and dope here follow you. Andrew Wallace say you me attack. I want to tell you, my man say work I am a blood clot born and grow. Dennis Bart grow me. Think me stupid? I'm too afraid or coward.